Is your Instagram reach dead because the algorithm hates you, or are you actually shadow banned? Most gurus tell you it's a myth, but the truth is simpler. You're making one of these 5 mistakes that tells Instagram to hide your content from everyone except your mom. Let's fix your account status before it's too late. First, check the receipts. Go to Settings/Account Status. If you see anything other than green check marks, you're not shadow banned, you're flagged. This usually happens because of a single post from months ago. If it's there, delete the offending content and appeal it immediately. Instagram won't show you an Explore until this is clear. Are you still posting Reels with a TikTok or CapCut watermark? Big mistake. Instagram's AI specifically scans for competitor logos. It won't ban you, but it will cap your reach at 10% of its potential. Use a watermark remover or export clean files. Originality is the only way to the top of the feed in 2026. If you were using follow for follow or commenting great post on 50 photos in 5 minutes, Instagram thinks you're a bot. When the system flags you as automated, it suppresses your next 3 to 5 posts to protect the community. Stop hacking and start having actual conversations. Using the same block of 30 hashtags on every single post, that's 2018 energy. In 2026, the algorithm uses SEO and AI image recognition. Stick to 3 to 5 hyper-relevant tags. If your tags don't match what's actually in the video, the AI gets confused and stops recommending you. The biggest killer? Low originality. Instagram recently updated their ranking to prioritize the original creator. If you're just re-uploading a meme or a trending clip without adding your own voice or a unique edit, your reach will stay flat. Add a spark to it, or don't post it. Fixing these 5 things won't just unban you, it'll signal to the algorithm that you're a high-quality creator. If this helped you find your lost reach, drop a comment below. I'm curious to see how many of you have a yellow account status right now. Let's get those credits for the hard work. See you in the next one.